Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Id.3 PRO 150 KD Dulov ID. 3. 1ST plus 5 door auto. This sleek and eco-friendly electric estate is loaded with top-notch features for your comfort and safety. From air conditioning to satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking, this vehicle has it all. Plus, with styling elements like privacy glass and ambient lighting, you'll turn heads wherever you go. Rest assured knowing that this car has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and includes a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information today.